Number 1. WakeR 80 Pints Energy Star Dehumidifier. The WakeR 80 Pints Energy Star Dehumidifier is designed for large spaces up to 5,000 square feet, effectively removing up to 80 pints of moisture daily under optimal conditions. Its intelligent touch control panel allows users to easily monitor and adjust humidity levels between 30% to 80%, making it suitable for various environments such as homes, basements, and offices. The dehumidifier operates quietly and features a lightweight design with casters for easy mobility, enhancing user convenience. Additionally, the WakeR dehumidifier is ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring efficient energy consumption while maintaining ideal humidity levels. It offers multiple drainage options, including a removable 1.14-gallon water tank and a continuous drain feature with an included hose. This flexibility, combined with a detachable filter for easy cleaning, ensures that users can maintain a healthy indoor atmosphere with minimal hassle. Some of the pros: high capacity, removes up to 80 pints of moisture daily, suitable for large areas. Smart control, intuitive touch panel for easy humidity monitoring. Number 2. HomeLabs Energy Star Dehumidifier. The HomeLabs 3,000 square feet Energy Star Dehumidifier is designed to efficiently manage humidity in medium to large spaces, such as basements and bedrooms. With a capacity to remove up to 35 pints of moisture daily, it operates within a coverage area of 1,500 to 3,000 square feet, making it suitable for various home environments. Its sleek design and built-in wheels enhance portability, while a quiet fan ensures minimal disruption during operation. The dehumidifier features an automatic shut-off function when the water tank is full, along with a continuous drain option for user convenience. The unit operates with a turbo mode that boosts fan speed for maximum moisture extraction, effectively combating humidity and odors. It is ENERGY STAR certified, promoting energy efficiency and lower electricity costs. However, users should note that the dehumidifier emits heat during operation and is not compatible with evaporative coolers. Its compact dimensions of 15.4 by 11 by 24.3 inches and a 1.8-gallon tank capacity make it a practical choice for those seeking a reliable moisture control solution. Number 3. 9Sky Dehumidifier for Home. The 9Sky Dehumidifier is designed for efficient moisture removal in spaces up to 1,000 square feet, making it suitable for various environments such as bathrooms, bedrooms, and basements. Utilizing advanced semiconductor condensation technology, it operates quietly, ensuring minimal disruption in living spaces. The unit features a 95-ounce water tank that includes an auto shut-off function, enhancing safety by preventing overflow. Additionally, the dehumidifier incorporates a unique 7-color LED night light feature, allowing it to double as a decorative element in a room. The device offers 2 operational modes: a high-speed mode for rapid moisture extraction and a night mode that operates quietly, making it ideal for nighttime use. Its compact design facilitates easy placement in different areas of the home, while its portability enhances convenience. Overall, the 9Sky Dehumidifier combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, making it a versatile solution for managing humidity levels in various settings.